Herdsmen attack Amotekun, destroy farmlands in Ondo. Hello my lovely people, you're welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. As you support this channel, may God support you too in your own way. The Ondo State Security Network Agency, Amotekun, on Wednesday said some herdsmen attacked its operatives on farm at Osi community in Akure North local government area of the state, while the operatives were trying to settle a rift between them and the farmers in the community. The operatives of the agency were said to have moved to the community following a distress call from the farmers that cows had destroyed their farms in the area. The state commander of Amotekun, Chief Adetunji Adeleye, who disclosed this to journalists in Akure, the state capital, however said one of the herdsmen was arrested with dangerous weapons, while 16 cows were seized by the operatives. He stated, some farmers from Osi community ran to the office complaining that their farms had been destroyed by herds. We sent our men there to assess the situation. They found out that the herds were actually on the farm and we invited the herdsmen. But unfortunately, on getting there, they attacked our men with knives and other dangerous weapons. But we were able to arrest one of them, named Abdulkadri Muhammad. Adeleye also disclosed that 2 suspected cattle rustlers were arrested by his men, while a Nissan brought by the suspected rustlers to steal cows belonging to one Alhaji Ilyasu was impounded. He said, one Alhaji Ilyasu, a Fulani man, came to us that some people came with bus to steal their cattle. They came to us and we sent our men out. We were able to recover the vehicle they wanted to use in stealing the cows. We also recovered the cows. We were able to trace some of the rustlers that ran away to somewhere in Ondo State. We have apprehended one Sudahuna Gombe and one Ogunyale Shola. We have handed them over to the Agro Department of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps for detailed investigations. We recovered 2 cows, which we have returned to the Fulani man that owns them, and we brought the vehicle to our office here because the rustlers ran away and abandoned the vehicle. But we were able to arrest those involved and they had confessed that they had been in the trade for some time. The Amotekun boss also disclosed that over 100 suspects had been arrested by men of the security agency in the state since it started its operations.
Somo le ṣàbí ẹni ṣe bí alẹ́ ṣàánú gbèsè lóko. Amotekun fílẹ̀. Òdúgbò yakurẹ. Yóò yakurẹ. Akífúnra ilé tẹ́lẹ̀ rẹ̀.
Ọmọ ti bínú.
Ẹ sì ló kàn yá.
Ọlọ́mọdé ọ̀pá ló ti wọ́n ti káàárẹ̀ báyìí. Wọ́n ti mọ̀ báyìí kò gún ṣẹlẹ̀ bọ́ sí àyàn tó mọ̀.
Etí dùn hàn mí. Etí dùn hàn mí.
Kẹ́ dúró ṣe lébẹ̀ báyìí. Kẹ́ dúró ṣe lébẹ̀ báyìí.
Ìrà wo ni ẹ̀yin lẹ́ o mi ojú rẹ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ̀ rí o. Ṣé okura ni débọ̀ ni? Okura ni yá. Mẹ́wàá pé mo dì yín ogún mẹ́wàá rí ṣe mi lé yín ogún.
Lájọ́ lọ.
Àbálẹ̀ yìí.
Látàrọ̀ mo ti fíìmù ni mẹ́wàá mọ́tò lásán mo gbé sí mo ẹ̀jẹ̀ délé máa jẹ̀ rí.
Combate moço, nessa. Combate moço, nessa. Combate yaba na su. O filme mi mana. Àtẹ̀kọ́. Wà na wà lẹ́sìn kete àkàn lè kú.